Hello and welcome to Listen and Understand English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sam. It's great to be with you today.
Today we have a very common topic. It's something everyone has to do.
Oh, really? What is it?
We are talking about cleaning the house.
Cleaning, a necessary chore. Some people love it and some people hate it.
Exactly. Which side are you on, Sam? Do you enjoy cleaning?
I don't hate it. I really like when my house is clean. The process of cleaning, it's just okay for me.
Right. A clean house feels so good. It's fresh and comfortable.
Totally. So, what's your least favorite cleaning chore, Sarah?
I think my least favorite is cleaning the bathroom, especially the toilet.
For me, it's doing the dishes since I don't have a dishwasher.
Oh no, so you wash all the dishes by hand with a sponge and soap?
Yes, every plate, every fork, every cup. It takes a lot of time.
My favorite chore is vacuuming. I love the sound of it.
I like vacuuming too. It's satisfying to see all the dust disappear.
And what about dusting? Do you remember to dust the furniture?
I try to. I use a microfiber cloth to wipe the dust off the shelves and the tables.
It's easy to forget dusting, but it makes a big difference. The air feels cleaner.
It does. And what about the floors? After vacuuming, do you ever mop the floors?
Oh yes, we have tile floors in the kitchen, so I mop them with a mop and bucket. It makes them shiny.
Nice. Mopping is hard work, but worth it.
Now let's talk about laundry.
Oh, laundry, the never-ending story.
That's right. You wash the clothes, you dry the clothes.
And then you have to fold the clothes. That's the part I dislike the most.
Folding is the worst. I always have a big pile of clean clothes waiting to be folded.
Me too. Do you use fabric softener?
Yes, I love fabric softener. It makes the clothes feel soft and smell so nice.
It's a nice touch. So, how often do you clean your whole house?
I try to do a big clean once a week, usually on Saturday morning.
That makes sense, a weekly clean, and then you do small things every day.
Exactly, like washing the dishes after a meal, wiping the kitchen counters, and taking out the trash.
Right, those are daily chores. What about making your bed? Do you do that every morning?
I do. It makes the room look much tidier. It's a great way to start the day.
I agree. It's a small thing, but it helps the whole room feel clean.
So, to review some words for our listeners, we talked about chores, which are small cleaning jobs.
Right. We mentioned vacuuming, dusting, mopping, doing the dishes, and laundry.
We also used words for cleaning supplies like a sponge, a mop, and laundry detergent.
Great summary, Sarah. Cleaning is a big topic, but hopefully this was helpful.
We hope so. It's great practice to talk about everyday activities in English.
That's all the time we have for today on Listen and Understand English.
Thanks for listening. Join us next time. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.